Jeff's car culture, side view mirrors. Let's go.
All right. Well, then, side camera mirror systems future is here. Side camera mirror systems, a cutting-edge innovation in automotive industry, are reshaping the way we see and interact with our vehicles. Traditional side mirrors may have been a staple of vehicles for decades, but they come with their fair share of challenges and limitations. Side camera mirror systems, on the other hand, offer numerous benefits, but they also present some downsides and legal hurdles that need to be addressed. Traditional mirrors can be obscured by factors such as rain, snow, dirt, or even insects, making it necessary for drivers to frequently adjust them or clean them to maintain proper visibility. This inconvenience can be particularly problematic during long journeys or in regions with unpredictable weather. In vehicles shared by multiple drivers, each individual may need to adjust the side mirrors and suit their unique preferences and line of sight. Failing to do so can lead to discomfort, reduced safety, and if the mirrors are not optimally positioned for the driver's height and seating position, especially when you crash into something. The design of the traditional side mirrors can generate wind noise and contribute to drag, especially at higher speeds. Reducing aerodynamic efficiency can impact both fuel economy and cabin comfort. Traditional side mirrors are unable to integrate advanced technology features. For instance, they cannot display additional information such as navigation guidance or blind spot monitoring, as is possible with side camera
is as big as a regular damn side view mirror.
It could be.
It looks like a little camcorder hanging out there.
Traditional mirrors provide minimal feedback to the driver about their surroundings. Side camera mirror systems often include features like distance markers or warning symbols that enhance drivers' awareness and safety. Traditional side mirrors are exposed to vulnerable and impact from other vehicles, obstacles, or even careless pedestrians. This makes them more susceptible to damage, vandalism, and being knocked out of alignment, necessitating repairs or replacement. Shame on that. Side camera mirror systems provide a wider and more comprehensive field of view compared to traditional mirrors, significantly reduce blind spots. This can help prevent accidents when changing lanes or merging onto highways, making the roads safer for everyone, Michael. Which means some side camera mirror systems come with advanced features like lane keeping assistance and automatic adjustment. These features can aid drivers in maintaining a steady lane position and ensuring their mirrors are correctly aligned, enhancing overall safety and convenience. Unlike traditional mirrors, side camera systems are less effective by adverse weather conditions. They can adapt in various scenarios such as rain, snow, or fog, ensuring the drivers have a clear visibility at all times. The sleek design of side camera mirror systems contributes to improved aerodynamics, reducing wind resistance, and potentially increasing fuel efficiency. And we all want that. The installation and repair of side camera mirror systems can be more expensive than traditional mirrors. The technology involved, such as high-quality cameras and displays, can drive up the initial cost of the vehicle. Repairs can also be pricier. Drivers accustomed to traditional mirrors may take some time to adapt the new systems, adjusting to the camera display, and learning to trust the technology that lead into the initial confusion and discomfort. So overall, it's a new system. It's a new way of having your
cake and eat it too.
Yeah, having your cake and eat it. I was putting Mike's sound. I like it. I think it's going to be good. I could use it. I could adapt to it. You've got the rear mirror inside.
Those things are absolutely way too huge. There's no advantage as far as aerodynamics are concerned by what you just showed there. We have what we call a lipstick camera on the back of the helicopter that faces forward, and it's no bigger than a lipstick case.
And that is the ones that I showed you that we can find information on. They're all in Europe, and they're mainly on EVs.
Well, of course.
So they're not on any ICE vehicles or anything like that.
Well, a couple of them I thought was real good, and I thought maybe that's what this was going to be. The camera that's on the existing side mirrors, whenever you turn the blinker on, it comes up like in the speedometer or the tachometer, but it comes up on the dash, and you can see it on your dash. You don't have to do all this other stuff. And that's basically a little lipstick type size camera on an existing side mirror. And I don't understand some of that stuff. I'm with you. That's kind of
defeats the purpose with the size of those things that we just saw there.
They look like camcorders hanging out there.
And are they going to put it, objects in the mirror are larger than they appear, that kind of thing. So,
that thing with the convex and the concave. And objects in mirror may appear closer than they really are.
Yep. Is that going to happen?
I think we need to
don't
put
know.
that on everything.
And some of these actually go into the fender.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah,
Let's
which
have a
is
motor
cool.
that breaks, it doesn't retract it, and yeah, I got all that.
I got you.
Well, Mr.